What is up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 tribute car. It has a 350 small block in it currently. It's a factory AC car. The AC is not hooked up at the moment. It's got some nice American racing wheels on it. Torque thrust. Just adds to the look. Paint shines bright and great. White stripes. Got a turbo 350 transmission. And the car just drives and runs great. Just what a treat this car is. You could tell whoever did work to this car, they put their time in it. In the engine bay, it's done up really nice. Put their time in putting the SS badges on it. The hood closes really nicely. The car just looks great. I'm going to show you the interior before we wrap this up. Your door jambs, bottom of your doors, all in great shape. Your trim, tilt wheel, as you can see, SS steering wheel. You got an aftermarket radio. It appears stock, but it's really aftermarket. Your factory AC controls, like I said, it's disabled now. Your gauges, odometer reads 64,000 miles. Gasoline gauge, temperature lights, your clock, gear selector, and you got the horseshoe shifter underneath here with a console and bucket seats. This car is just a great car if you want a presentable driver, because this car can truly drive anywhere. Door closes really nicely. Just a great car. Do one more walk around before we wrap this up. If you're interested in this car, you could visit mgmclassiccars.com, or you could call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock, so make sure you call or check out our website, see all of our inventory, because we get new cars in almost every day, and you do not want to miss a thing, because we got something for everybody here. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only, so make sure you call, make an appointment online ahead of time. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Make sure to like the YouTube videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just stay tuned to see the new inventory we get in. This is a new arrival, and we got so many more coming. My name is Mr. Jenkins. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all soon here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Have a great day, everybody.